Sakina Yusuf from Radio Chinar and you're watching today's top 10 headlines. Special Task Force of Municipal Council Kupwara today conducted an anti-polythene drive in Kupwara town, during which 65 kg of polythene was seized and a fine to the tenor of 2,500 was released from the violators. Meanwhile, shopkeepers and other stakeholders were asked to use alternative means for carrying goods. A police constable was killed while two others were injured after militants attacked a police party in Pushpan area of Diachpura in South Kashmir's Kulgam district on Saturday evening. A militant affiliated with Al-Badr outfit was killed in a gunfight with security forces in Machwa area of Central Kashmir's Budgam district, while a second militant of the LET who had escaped was arrested along with a truck driver in Crew area of Pampur in Pulwama district on Saturday, police said. Local authorities said on Saturday that China's Wuhan city, where the coronavirus first emerged in 2019 and which is currently experiencing a resurgence of infections, has tested 11.23 million of its over 12 million people. People's Conference received a shot in the arm to its expansion program as 5 politicians, including 2 former PDP MPs from various parts of Jammu and Kashmir, joined the party on Saturday. With educational institutions being closed for offline classes amid pandemic, the government of India has revealed that 70% school children in Jammu and Kashmir don't have access to digital devices to avail for themselves the online mode of education. On the second anniversary of the abrogation of Article 370, the Modi government has outlined a plan to empower people through the newly constituted panchayats. National Conference Women's Wing President Shamima Firdos Saturday said that the indispensability of women's stake in development and policy making, saying that the party had been persistently working towards removing underrepresentation of women in politics to have policies more attuned to women's needs. National highways are being constructed at a very fast pace. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the entire country can hope of getting highways of an American standard in the next 3 years, Union Highways and Road Transport Minister said on Saturday. In a bid to help doctors treat pancreatic cancer in a better way, a team of MIT researchers has developed an immunotherapy strategy. With this, we are come to end this program. For latest updates, stay connected with Radio Chinar News.